So today we are going to do square roots. Earlier we have done square of the numbers, square numbers. Now we are going to do square roots. It's just opposite to the square, right? As we do square, that means we give the power 2. So square root is opposite to that and it means the power raised to 1 by 2. Okay, so let's understand it using some example. For example, let's take 49, which is equal to 7 multiply 7, that is 7 square, right? That we have done square earlier. 49 is equal to 7 into 7, that is 7 square. Now, we can write it as square root of 49 is equal to 7. As 49 is equal to 7 square, तो जैसे ही हम 49 का स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे, स्क्वायर रूट मीन्स पावर रेज टू 1 by 2, then it will be equal to 7. You can see it just opposite. 49 means 7 square, then 7 means 49 raised to power 1 by 2. Power shifted here will be 1 by 2. So this is called square root. 1 by 2, this is called square root. So square root of 49 is equal to 7, right? Similarly, let's take 64, let's take 64 is equal to 8 multiply 8, that is 8 square. So we can say that square root of 64 is equal to square root of 8 multiply 8 is equal to 8, right? What does it show? कि square root में अगर आपके पास two same numbers आ रहे हैं, so outside square root it will be the single number. It will be changed into the single number. In other words, we can say, right? Let's take more example. Like you can take, see, 1 into 1 is equal to 1 square. That is square root of 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 equal to 2 square. It means square root of 4 is equal to 2. Similarly, 9. 3 square is equal to 9. This implies square root of 9 is equal to 3. 4 square is equal to 16. This implies square root of 16 is equal to 4, right? 5 square is equal to 25. That means square root of 25 is equal to 5. As 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. All these are called perfect squares or the square numbers. That's why we can find out their square root, right? We will get the whole number after finding out their square roots, right? Here in this exercise, we will just find out in our syllabus even of 8th class, we will just find out the square root of square numbers only, right? We are going to find out the square root of square numbers only, right? So here we are discussing about square numbers. Let's take some more examples to understand the concept. I'm going to repeat it again. What is the square? As you have done earlier, what is square number? Like if you multiply two same numbers, as you take 5, 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25, which is equal to 5 square. So we can say that 25 is a square number. This is a square number, right? Because it can be written as the multiplication of two same numbers. Similarly, square root is the same. Square root matlab raised to power 1 by 2. So we can say here 25 ka square root will be equal to, that means square root of 5 multiply will be equal to 5. Also you can say 25, you can write it as 25. Square root of 25 means square of 5. Here square and square root will be cancelled, so answer will be 5, because we know that this square root means power 1 by 2. In other words, you can write down like this, 25 raised to power 1 by 2. ठीक है, एक्सपोनेंट की थी ना हमने, इट्स सेम. 25 को ओपन कर दो, 5 रेज टू पावर 2, और ऑलरेडी पावर क्या है 1 by 2, तो ये 2 से 2 कैंसिल. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 5. Let's take 9. Suppose let's we are having 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Then we can say that 9 square is equal to 81. It means 9 is equal to square root of 81. Right? That means 9 is equal to square root of 81. Before going to start exercise, let's write down it. जैसे हमने पहले किया था, 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, we wrote down the square numbers. अब हम square root लिखते हैं. Similarly, square root of 1 is equal to 1. Square root of 4 means 2. Then square root of square numbers I'm just writing down like this. 1 square is equal to 1. So square root of 1 is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. That is square root of 4 is equal to 2. 3 square is equal to 9. So square root of 9 is equal to 3. Here 1, 4, 9, 16, all these are square numbers. So that's why we can find out their square root, which will be a whole number. इनका square root निकालते ही हमें पूरा whole number मिलेगा, ठीक है? 4 square is equal to 16. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. 5 square is equal to 25. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. 6 square is equal to 36. Square root of 36 is equal to 6. 7 square is equal to 49. So square root of 49 is equal to 7. 8 square is equal to 64. So square root of 64 is equal to 8. 9 square is equal to 81. So square root of 81 is equal to 9. 10 square is equal to 100. So we can say square root of 100 is equal to 10. Right? Any query up to this? Now let's read question 1 of exercise 6.3. What is the first question here? What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following numbers? As we have done in 6.1, first question हमने क्या किया था 6.1 में? What will be the unit digit of this given square number? ठीक है, आपको एक नंबर गिवन था, आपको बताना था उसके स्क्वायर नंबर का यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगा. तो आप क्या करते थे, स्क्वायर करके देखते थे यूनिट डिजिट को. यहाँ पर हम बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट करेंगे. हियर द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट कुड बी द पॉसिबल ones digit of the square root of each of the following number. First is given 9801. 6.1 जब हमने स्क्वायर नंबर किया था, then the question was what will be the unit digit of its square. अब क्या पूछ रहे हैं, what will be the unit digit of the square number. What will be the unit digit of the square root, sorry. Now they are asking what will be the unit digit of square root. इसके स्क्वायर रूट का यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगा, ठीक है. तो कैसे बताएंगे, स्क्वायर रूट देखकर, ठीक है. इसके यूनिट डिजिट देखेंगे, इट्स यूनिट डिजिट इज 1. सी हियर 1. जब हम स्क्वायर रूट करते हैं 1 का तो हमें आंसर में भी क्या मिलता है 1. और सी हियर ऑल्सो 1 on 81. Here this 81, this 1. Here also unit digit 1, here also unit digit 1. So we'll take these two numbers. कब कब आ रहा है unit digit 1? Yes, you right Mukul and Pooja, 1 and 9. Because square root of 1 is equal to 1, square root of 81 is equal to 9. जब जब unit digit 1 है तो हमें square root क्या मिल रहा है, 1 और 9. So its unit digit will be 1 or 9. Unit digit of square root of 90801 will be 1 or 9. Right? Let's do another part also, so it will be clear. Now the question is 99856. What will be the unit digit of its square root? What will be the unit digit of its square root? So let's check its unit digit. Yes, 4 and 6. How 4 and 6? Its unit digit is 6. So check in the square root. When we will get, when there is coming 6. 6, 6. So what will be the unit digit here? 4 or 6. Right? Next is 998001. What will be the unit digit of its square root? Here unit digit is 1. So it will be 1 or 9 same. Right? Next is it's 65 7 666 025. Right? 657 666 025. Right? What will be the square root of unit digit of its? Yes, very good. It's 5. Why? When we are getting 5 here. Here unit digit is 5. So in answer also unit digit will also be 5. Unit digit. Just don't mention only is equal to unit digit. You can in notebook you can mention like unit digit in the square root of this number will be 5. Okay? Any query here? Okay, then let's move to the next question now. Now the next question is, it's same. You have done exercise 6.1 also. The next question is, without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect squares. And the numbers given are 153, another number is 257, another number is 408, and the next number is 441. You are to tell from these numbers which are not perfect squares. कौन कौन से perfect squares नहीं? Surely, जरूरी नहीं, श्योरली मतलब जिसको आप देखते ही बता सकते हो दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. एक तो होता है आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा, एक जिसको आप देखते ही जस्ट बता सकते हैं कि विच इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. गुड. यू आर सेइंग फर्स्ट, second and third, right? We have done the same question earlier. When the unit digit, see here you can check the square, these all are the square numbers. इन सभी में, इन सभी स्क्वायर नंबर्स में यू कैन सी द यूनिट डिजिट इज 1 4. स्क्वायर नंबर जब करते हैं तो हमें एंड में डिजिट्स मिलते हैं 1 4 9 6 5 6 9 4 1 0 डबल 0. यू कैन से इन व्हेन यू स्क्वायर द नंबर, इन स्क्वायर नंबर सॉरी जो स्क्वायर नंबर्स होते हैं उसमें यूनिट डिजिट होते हैं 1 4 9 5 6 और even number of zeros. So what we have done earlier, what was the numbers we have decided here, what are the numbers left here, कौन कौन से numbers रह गए थे? 2 3. इनमें से कौन कौन से numbers रह गए? 2 3 और 7 and 2 3 7 and 8, right? So अगर यूनिट डिजिट 2 3 7 8 होता है then we can say surely these are not perfect squares. जब भी यूनिट डिजिट 2 3 7 8 होगा so we can say it that these are not surely not perfect square. हमें ये चेक करके देखना पड़ेगा because its unit digit is 1 so it may be or may not be. ये हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी, क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है सभी जिनके पीछे 1 4 9 6 5 आए वो स्क्वायर नंबर्स ही हैं. नो, वी कैन चेक बट हम उसमें श्योर नहीं है. यहाँ हम श्योर हैं दीज आर नॉट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स. Why? Because its unit digit is 3 7 8 and we know that when the unit digit is 2 3 7 8 and odd number of zeros, then we can surely say that the numbers are not perfect squares, right? Any query now? Here, question number 3 is find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. आपको repeated subtraction use करके आपको find out करना है square root, ठीक है? With not with any other method, repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction में क्या करते हैं? It's given 100. Firstly, it's given 100. आपको 100 का square root find out करना है by using repeated subtraction. Okay? So क्या करते हैं, जब हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट ओड नंबर्स. इसमें ओड नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जाते हैं. लाइक 100 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो फर्स्ट ओड नंबर, इट विल बी 99, राइट? देन सेकेंड ओड नंबर 3, राइट? तो सेकेंड ओड नंबर इज 3, सब्ट्रैक्ट 3 नाउ फ्रॉम 99. 99 माइनस 3, 96. अब नेक्स्ट नंबर कौन सा आएगा? 96 में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? 5. इट विल बी 91. फिर 91 में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? नेक्स्ट ऑड नंबर 7. देन व्हाट इट विल बी? 84, राइट? देन 84 माइनस 9, then what it will be? 75. then 75 minus, क्या माइनस करेंगे नेक्स्ट 9 के बाद? 11. then it will be 64. 64 minus 13. we are subtracting odd numbers. 64 minus 13 is equal to 51. then 51 minus 15 is equal to 6, 3, 36. then 36 minus 17, what it will be? 19. 17 के बाद क्या आता है? 19. so 19 minus 19, 0, right? so here we get the 0. we will stop this subtraction. हमने इसको stop कर दिया and count the number of steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 steps are here. That means we have done the repeated subtraction 10 times. So that means square root of 100 is equal to 10. Square root of 100 is equal to 10. This is the method of repeated subtraction. And next you have to find out square root of 169 by using the same method. 169. It's also same. 169. Can you try this? Okay, it's your homework. Try this question. Next question is question 4. Find the square roots of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. Now let's find out square root using prime factorization. And the first part is 729. I hope you all know how to do prime factorization, right? Firstly, its unit digit is 9. It will go on 3, right? It will be 2, 4, 3. Next, again it will go on 3. You can see, you can check like this: 9, 2, 11, and 7, 18. 18 is divided by 3, so this 729 will also be divided by 3. Then 243. 243, 43729. 9 is divided by 3, so 243 is also divided by 3. Here we will apply the laws, right? Here we will apply the distributive properties. Sorry. Yes, sorry, I was talking about divisibility rules. यहाँ पर हम divisibility rule apply करेंगे. Okay? So again it will go on 3, 8, 1. Again it will go on 3 as 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. It will go on 3, 27. Again 3, 9. Again 3, 3. Then again 3, 1. This is the prime factorization. Write down the prime factors like in this form. 3 multiply 3 multiply how many times it? 6 times. Okay. So now let's make the pairs. As we are to find out square root, so we'll make two pairs like this. Okay. So square root of 7 to 9 will be, it will be taken one time 3. जैसे ही हम इनको स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे, एज वी विल गिव द स्क्वायर रूट, as we will give the square root, so this will be written one time, this again this will be written one time, and this will also be written one time. So what will be the answer here? 27. स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर आते ही डबल नंबर जो सेम नंबर होगा, इट विल बी चेंज इनटू द सिंगल नंबर, क्योंकि अंदर स्क्वायर है, बाहर आते ही स्क्वायर रूट हो जाएगा, राइट? स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर आते ही सिंगल नंबर में चेंज हो जाएगा. एनी क्वेरी हियर in this question? Next part is 400. You have to find out the square root of 400 using this method, prime factorization. So let's do the prime factorization first. It will go on to 200. Again it will go on to 100. Again it will go on to 50. Again to 25. Now it will go on 5. And the last again 5. Right? Yes, your answer is right. Let's see how to do it. 400 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Right? So, let's find out square root. Square root करते ही आपके पास क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 2. Again there is a pair. You will write down one single 2. Again there is a pair. You will write down here 5. Outside the square root, it will be written single time. So it will be 4 into 5, 20. So we can say square root of 400 is equal to 20. This is the way to find out square root of the numbers using prime factorization, right?